Here we have my 1984 Rover SD1 Vitesse Auto. So this morning I have just put the engine back in. The engine's had a bit of a freshen up. It's had new rings, bearings, camshaft, sprockets and timing chain. That's pretty much it. Replaced, got the hoses to replace. Come around here, here we are. So all stainless steel bolts pretty much. I made up this heater supply pipe earlier in the week. Normally it's a hose and it runs along here down to the heater and tees off here to the hot spot on the manifold, and I don't like the hoses, so I've made a stainless steel pipe. I don't know, just something to do. These plates here, these clamp plates, are stainless steel. I got them laser cut, just look a bit better. Come around here. The power steering pump, I've replaced the seals in it, so we'll see if it's still leaking. We'll find out. Got the radiator to go in and the oil cooler, so I'm not quite sure what I'm doing with that yet. Come down here. These brackets here hold the grill. 1, 2, 3, 4. I made those out of stainless. I didn't like the steel ones, they're just rusty. And these brackets here that hold the lights, they're stainless too. Stainless brackets here for the bonnet struts. And stainless blinking plate here where the clutch would normally be, and stainless blinking plates over this side for a left-hand drive option. Brake, master cylinder and boosters yet to go in. Exhaust manifolds to go in. Painted them up with high temperature paint. They're over here. And they don't look too bad until I put my dirty fingers on them. So that's about it. It's had new shocks, springs, suspension bushes, new tyres. The wheels have been blasted and repainted, and stainless steel nuts here made out of hex bar. And these are the original type of valve connection that these wheels had. They were brass, brass and plated, I think. So that's about it. The spoiler, well, that spoiler's in the office there, and there's the bonnet over there. So that's about it for now. Mostly I've just got to put things back together in the right place. And we'll see how it goes. Yeah. So I'll come back here a bit. There it is, there's the front side view. It's had a repaint. It's not a professional job, but it's not too bad all the same. Got a bit of dust on it. Come around here, come around here, come around here. Got the badge here, in case you've got a sense of humour. One of Britain's fine cars. Not the finest, just one of their fine cars. So that's it, folks. Might do another one in a couple of weeks' time. Thanks for watching.